Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Seedance. Ladies and gentlemen, Seedance is an AI model which you can use to create videos as well as images, but we are going to just jump in and see how we can create videos with Seedance. You can also see here that you can use Seedance in openart.ai, polo.ai, artlist. So basically you can use Seedance basically anywhere within an AI app where you can create images or videos. So now what I'm going to do is go into Polo AI, and I'm going to use Polo AI because here you can create videos, images, effects. There's a whole bunch of AI tools here, which is great. And so what we're going to do here is we've automatically been redirected to Seedance AI video generator, and you can see it's the official ByteDance one. And here we can use image to video, text to video, or you can just use the API over here. You can see this is the model that we're using over here, and of course we're going to leave it just over there. Right, so what we're going to do is we are going to do text to video. So let's go ahead and create a prompt. So what's nice also about Polo AI is that if you just give it a short idea, it'll actually allow you to generate with AI over here. So whatever it is that you type in here, you can just say generate with AI. You can just give it a little idea, and then it'll give you 3 options. So out of the 3 options, I've chosen this one over here. And also there are some ideas that you can just tap on if you feel so that you need to do that. And then we have a translate prompt over here. And this is, of course, if your prompt is not in English, you can just toggle that on. Let's go ahead and say create. On this next page, you will see it'll just give you a rundown of the model version, and then the credits that it's requiring. Right now I do have enough credits. It'll give you your prompt again, and then also the video length. Of course, if you increase the video length, it will increase the credit usage, and then you can change the aspect ratio over here. So we're going to just make it 9:16, and then the output, the number of outputs, you can change that as well. There are some advanced options. If you open this up, you can change the resolution, you can fix the camera, you can change the seed, public visibility, and then the protection over here. Once you're done, you can literally click on create. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our video right over here. Let's check it out. Now you can see on the video, it's pretty accurate looking. You can download it, share it, and copy the link. You can also add it to your favorites, and then you can also add a sound effect right over here. You can upscale this. You can also extend this, so if you want to maybe create a different angle or a different scene, and then you can create another video from this video. You can choose to use lip sync and create a voiceover, and then you can also remove your background, of course. Over here you can reprompt, you can regenerate it, or you can just delete it. There we go. This is Seedance.